Poison is the new talk of town. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVI Channel 1 Plus. I'm your girl, Bella. But before we dive into this video, if you are my regular subscriber or watcher, please, thank you for being here. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell to know whenever I post palava. Biko, let's watch this video together and we analyze it. All right.
Oh! Ember, they write their names.
Ember will talk before you enter and go to sleep. Ember will talk before you. Ember will talk before you enter and go to sleep. Ember will talk before you. Nobody tell me yes.
So now, this video of this girl, obutelu ndoi ya nni, obutelu enyi nwoke ya na sego okwu nni after cooking it. You know, now, we poison oya, the boy amaro ya na ndoi ya we lie nni. Now you now ask yourself, okay, obu na this boy know this girl and no. All the same thing ko ya mekwa. E water. And then me say kita, this girl mesikwa no di. Kai take good by the side. After onwe ike, otu and the police je kita we kpole ya puo. Ka na check godi. E water. Nke ibo we bolo. Ke ka a young girl nye na enyi nwoke se okwu. Ife gbata ya n'obi bụ ka o wicked the guy. E water. Just gị na mmadụ dibo na mma emesizi ese. Ihe gozi ga-aga bụ ka igbuo ya. You now ask yourself, I don't know why people start being so mean and inhuman to themselves. You know, that's the more reason why we should be careful and all of us should be careful who you deal with. Because again, mmadụ say okwu, iwe malo how really that person dey. You know how wicked on yard. Even ụfọdụ ndị mmadụ, you need this okwu with them. Fair level go afia, they start dealing with you one way or the other. You know. Another one, Bolo, the guys, the friends of the boy that died, just kopak pepper soup, just pepper soup. They say everybody in Nigeria loves pepper soup. Me, people like meat. We like to chew on something. So these guys now followed and ate the pepper soup. This is now the story. All of them died. This girl na-agagharị. I don't know why women are so mean. I don't really know why. Ụmụ nwoke dịkwa mean, but I don't know. Women wickedness. Nwaanyị gbasa gị wicked, ma nwaanyị lụka gị, ihe na-ajụ onwe gị, ka ebe onye si yota wickedness. I think that the women are dealing with ekwensu direct. Because kaka mmadụ gị na mmadụ yes onye gị na ya bụ boyfriend o na-eke isi na-eme ihe niile after everything gị na say you guys broke up, the guy welukwa obi ọcha nabata nni based on guys. So say chicks go dey cool, go say our wife, them wives, the guys we nabatakwa the nwa based on na ka obute nni ka fakwo isi azụ wee bulu nni wee poison wee gbuo mmadụ one 1 2 3. Onye na-egbu mmadụ na poison mmadụ. Edishon onye aka ya amụmụ nwa. Are you sure that this person can give birth to somebody after sika agbayalo? Who will forgive this person? Let's just be honest. Who will forgive this person? Esiona, if you start killing men one after the other, if you poison this one because you guys broke up, you poison this one because you guys broke up, how many guys will remain? You na dodge ola, aya amwage. You dey dodge slap. If you start killing men one after the other, you know, that is, see, I don't even blame the guys that are scared of the women. You know, I don't blame them, because somebody having such experience in water, or maybe a member of the family, look at the innocent guys that don't know wetin you and this guy they do. They don't even care wetin una they do, now just to eat. That's the more reason why you should be careful. Even when the girlfriends start bringing food, no follow eat, because these girls are not smiling again. These girls are not smiling. Fana agayali. Nwa na-enye billing, na-akwụ ụgwọ after paying the bills, sponsoring this thing, paying iPhone this thing, bills and everything. This mumu get mind, can they poison the guy and poison the friends? It's not only that she succeeded, but the painful thing is that all of them died as a result of this thing. It's crazy. It's crazy. God forbid bad thing. I'm afraid of the recent, my Gen Z, my Generation X. So I'm afraid of what the next generation will be. If this generation, Gen Z, the coming generation, the upper ones, how is it going to be? And another thing, the parents of this girl, Keife enable probably she must have told somebody, I must deal with these guys. Even her friends need to be arrested, because she didn't do this thing alone. She did. Even the person that sold the person that sold the poison, the cook, the people, all of them together must do real time. You must do real time. And the girl, I got analyze the psychology, because when the wickedness they come on, that they don't care. Look at somebody at the end of the day. See, you know, Nigerians don't forget though. But at the end of the day, and we can succeed later in life, you start becoming, you want to be counselor or local government somebody. Look at people that we see, please. If you are taking something from a friend, even, you know, people are so vulnerable when it comes to love, friendship, and everything. And that's the more reason why they get to us. They get to you. Food. I see food is the quickest way to a man's heart. See now, food. You don't make these boys die for nothing. Just for for somebody be gayale. You now kill people just because you are angry with your boyfriend. If you're angry with your boyfriend, go and hug transformer now. Do you have to kill people? Every day, kapalava na apota. Every day we see new things. In Edo, that's where it happened. In Nigeria, that's where it happened. Until I come again, don't be eating anyhow. Don't even take food from friends, because you don't know who is angry with who. People are vulnerable when it comes to food, but you have to be very careful. Until I come again, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on your notification bell. If you are my regular watcher, thank you for being here. Until I come again, palava, they finish. And don't forget, if you are an Igbo person, please listen to my Igbo Community Radio USA. Ebe anyị na-ekwu ife ọbụla gbasara ndị Igbo. Ka ọ dị. Peace out.